These are the MMD by FOOSE Pre-Painted Rocker Panels for the 2015 and newer S550 Mustang. The MMD by FOOSE Rocker Panels are something that you should check out if you're looking for a change in looks that offers more than a side splitter or side skirt would. All of the MMD by FOOSE items are designed to bring a different look, but to still look like they could have come from the factory on the car. You can pick these up pre-painted or unpainted, whichever works better for you. The pre-painted panels will cost a little bit more, but you'll end up getting these delivered ready to go right out of the box. These rocker panels are also a go-to item if you're looking for an option that does not require any drilling. These install with 3M tape only, so the install is very easy. It's a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and we'll show you more on that later. When it comes down to it, everyone is going to have a different opinion about styling parts, and these are definitely a styling part, so it's safe to say that not everyone is going to love it. One of the things that I really like about this design is that it goes with the car. You still keep your side splitters that you have, you don't have to remove them, and this panel incorporates that splitter into its design, so you get a little bit of both a splitter and a lower side panel. What I mean by that is that these start by extending outwards the same as the splitter does. This piece is going to go over top of the splitter, so that's how it incorporates it into its design. Then it's going to extend downwards, which gives the piece a little bit of volume. And you have a step down here, which keeps the panel from looking like a plain, blocky piece, and it adds some dimension to it. As far as construction and specific materials, these are a lightweight ABS material, so don't be surprised if these arrive and they don't have a ton of weight to them. A lot of aftermarket and OEM exterior pieces are made from ABS because it is lightweight. You wouldn't really want a heavy piece anyway, and it's also durable. The pre-painted ones are going to cost a little bit more. They'll arrive to you paint matched and painted with the same paint that Ford uses in the factory, so they're going to match perfectly and be ready to install. You're looking at spending about $375 for the pre-painted panels and $300 for the unpainted ones. And the install is very easy here. You don't have to drill or cut anything or even remove anything to get these on the car. I'm going to call this one a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and let's head over to an install bay and we'll show you exactly how you get these on the car. Alright guys, so these things do install with 3M tape only. There's no hardware, and what that means for you is it means you need to get your surface as clean as possible before you go to install these. So what we're going to do now is we're going to wipe down our rocker panels with a mild soap and water mixture and make sure they're as clean as possible. So basically anywhere the 3M tape is going to be touching, we want that to be clean. So if it's not clean, then it won't stick. The other thing is, after you have it wiped down, you can see that it's really clean. You're going to want to make sure that you give it enough time to dry, because if it's too wet, then your adhesion promoter and your sticky stuff isn't really going to work well. So now that everything's dry, you're ready to move on to your next step. And with your side skirts, you guys actually got an alcohol prep pad and some adhesion promoter, and you're really going to want to make sure you use this stuff. The first thing you're going to use is your alcohol prep pad. So after everything's clean, you're going to open your alcohol prep pad. You're going to wipe your surface here, and what you're doing is you're further prepping the contact surface where the 3M tape is going to be. After you use your alcohol wipe, you have your adhesion promoter pad then. You're going to do the same thing with the adhesion promoter, just run it along where your 3M tape is going to be making contact, and make sure you get good adhesion there. So once you've done all that and all your prep work is out of the way, you're going to look at installing these next. So these do install with that 3M tape. There's 3 stripes of 3M tape on the inside of these right here on the top. You're going to have to peel the backing off those. And just to say, these are side specific, guys, so before you start peeling off the backing on the 3M tape, make sure you have the correct side. I'm just going to peel the backing off here. And we can do these all at once. So I'm just going to start on one end. So now I'm going to line this up and then press it into place. And you only really have one shot at this, so just take your time and make sure everything's lined up correctly. I'm going to line this front side up first, and I'm making sure that I'm not pressing down yet. I'm kind of just lining it up. I don't want it to touch anything yet, so I don't want it to stick just yet. All right, so now once I have it all lined up, I'm really just going to press into place and make sure that the tape is sticking, so it'll fall right off again, dude. The nice thing about this install is it's very easy, it's straightforward. You don't need to lift the car in the air, you don't even need jack stands. You guys can see I'm doing this on the ground, so it makes for a very easy and fast install. So the install is going to be exactly the same on the other side. There's nothing different there. One thing I will say, guys, is to make sure that you maybe don't wash your car for 24 hours, especially with things that are 3M taped on. You're going to want to make sure you give it enough time to adhere to your car. If you take it through a car wash or something right after you install it, you could be taking the chance of having these things fly off. And I know that you don't want to do that, especially if you paid for a pre-painted item. So just let this sit overnight, let it cure, and make sure it's really on there before you do anything like take off down the highway or take your car through a car wash. Now it's going to wrap things up for the MMD by FOOSE Rocker Panels. You can check them out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.